Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Support and remove the fuel tank and clear all fuel lines and brackets from the work area. Step 3. Remove the factory crossmember by cutting the rivets and clearing the studs from the frame. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Paint the replacement crossmember before installation. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 6. Align the crossmember using the factory holes for positioning. Step 7. Install the crossmember using the included M10 hex bolts and M10 lock nuts. The bolts and nuts use a 15mm socket and wrench. Finally, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, and any removed brackets.